Oh, stranger.
There is nothing quite as adorable as a litter of fluffy 8-week-old Maine Coon kittens. We are starting the grooms off today with a sweet little female.
Hello. Hello, little miss.
Introducing these kittens to their first groom at such a young age will help to ensure their success being groomed as adults. I do my best to keep them calm while submerging them into a shallow bath of warm, soapy water. Buddy is the stud to this litter. If you haven't seen his video, I've linked it in the description for you.
Oh my god! You're so cute!
These kittens are tiny and they are a bit nervous, so I will be grooming them entirely on my lap today. I am using my extra small happy hoodie for their teeny tiny little heads and my small handheld dryer to get them dry.
Pretty missies. You're all done, pretty missies. Oh, you like the chin scratch? Oh.
Next up, we have a solid white male with a little bit of gray on the top of his head, and he has 2 different color eyes.
Are you guys talking? Okay.
The Maine Coon is known as one of the largest domestic cat breeds. They got their name because they originated in the US state of
Oh,
Maine,
you poor little soul.
and the coon part of their name came from the markings on their tail that look similar to that of a raccoon. Except for the solid colored ones, of course.
This one's really good. Oh my god, you're so freaking cute.
Last but not least, we have a sweet little male.
Hi. Hi. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. No, little kitty. This little guy. It's okay. Okay, I have to rinse you now, and you're probably gonna freak out.
These kittens aren't dirty, and they don't need a bath. But the reason for their groom today is to be proactive about the future.
We're definitely gonna need the blow dryer. Okay, it's okay.
There may be a time in your cat's life where they require a bath. Whether they got into something, they have a skin infection of some kind, or they are old and can no longer clean themselves. Being proactive about grooming at a young age can prevent a cat from being very reactive as an adult, making the situation far less stressful for both yourself and your cat.
I know, it was very scary. It was very scary.
So the argument is not whether or not you believe cats need a bath, but rather whether or not you're interested in fighting a demon with 5 defense mechanisms or a laid-back pet that has been properly desensitized to grooming. They weren't overly interested in treats, but I did have some playtime with them after they were groomed, and a little photo shoot. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these 3 fluff balls of serotonin.
Did you just rough?
Hello? Where did he go?
Vur bak. Vur vur.
Dengan punya anjing husky.
Perempuan banyak muda, anak banyak juga, jalan tutup mata. Uang dan dikit.
Monty. Monty. Monty mau ikut?
Let's see.
¿A dónde iba, malvado? Vamos, vamos. El perrito se fue de casa.
Do you have the time to listen to me whine about everything, nothing at all at once?
Start from the front. Work your way back. Don't forget the ears and ascend.
Go.
It's 6:30, pitch black outside, and I almost hit this guy. Busy traffic. Oh, baby. Oh, hold on. Hello. Oh my gosh, are we pregnant? I don't know what to do. What did we get ourselves into? We got water. She's not drinking it. Look at her walk. She's hungry. I'm gonna try and feed her a little bit. I'm just gonna try and give her some of his food. What do you think? Oh, baby girl, is she blind too? Oh my gosh, if she's blind too. Look at her eyes. I'm so sorry I did that to you. It's your dad. Oh God. Hey, babe.